What's the job of a state legislative committee,
Right.
which usually has oversight and regulatory responsibilities, for helping to fuel and drive those hub opportunities around innovation?
So what other states have shown, and what this committee is working on, is when we directly invest into these startup companies, along with, in partnership with the private sector, then it's a win-win all around, and we accelerate this economic growth. We accelerate the number of jobs that are there. So what we do as a committee is we have to put into place public policy proposals that will accelerate the job creation, that will spur our entire economy.
Also brought to you by the New Jersey Economic Development Authority and by Hackensack Meridian Health.